Whoa, we're going to Hobby Lobby. Whoa, we're going to Hobby Lobby. Yeah.
That was really good. I loved that song.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So me and Kingston got these new little mini microphones, and he has been making bracelets. He's having a little bracelet business going on, so we're about to go inside Hobby Lobby and return some beads that did not work for him so he can get some new beads. So let's go see what he picks. Oh. Did the phone just turn?
Yeah.
King told me to try this on so we can. What's going on here?
You need to yes.